Hey guys, welcome back to Olivia's Lovely Life. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a cute summer makeup routine. Let's go. And as you guys know, I am in Macedonia right now and I'm having an awesome time. So if you want to see some Macedonian content, make sure to like and subscribe so then I'll know that you guys want to see some Macedonian content. Okay guys, so I organized all my makeup and it looks really nice. Here I have some lip glosses, primer, moisturizer, my hairbrush, perfume, and highlighter, blush, brushes, eyeshadow, and some Touchland. And yeah, I organized all my makeup and I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff to do my summer makeup routine. So I'm going to be telling you guys all the products that I use and where I got them from. So first up in my makeup routine, I like to use the Bubble Slam Dunk Moisturizer. You can see I have some stuff because I'm trying to bedazzle it. And it is so good. I love this moisturizer. It feels so smooth on the skin. And I love this. This is good for teens and my age. And I got this from Target or something. They have it in many places, Target, Walmart. And I got this for my birthday, and I highly recommend buying this as a moisturizer. It is awesome. You open it like this. And then you just apply. I don't like to apply crazy much. Right now I'm just applying a little. You can put as much as little as you like. It's kind of like the Drunk Elephant and some other products. Just rub this in, close it, and yeah, it feels super hydrating. I love this. It's a great start. And yeah, it's a great moisturizer base. And now, I just got this yesterday in Macedonia. They have Essence and Ulta, Walmart, kind of everywhere, drugstore. I don't really use a primer, but I finally got one. It's the Jelly Grip Hydrating Primer. I love hydrating products. It just makes your skin feel so refreshed, and yeah. I know a few people that have this, and yeah, I'm excited to try this. Okay. So this little pump applicator. And can we just admire the packaging? So cute. Okay. Should that be it? Okay, I may go in with the color Cream. This one. Right there. Super cute. I kind of made a DIY vanity over here. And yeah, that's where I'm doing my makeup on right now. I love this palette. Cute colors. Love. And yeah. It's looking cute. And maybe some glitter. I just love glitter, guys. Maybe we can add some here. Cute. And now I have so many lip glosses, and I kind of just like to do a lip combo of the day. So I'm going to show you guys how many lip glosses I have. Guys, look at all these lip glosses I got. It's crazy. I mean, I love lip glosses, guys. I have Birthday Cake, Limited Edition Summer Fridays. Love. And then I got this Golden Rose Miss Beauty. 3D lip gloss, it says. I don't know. That's cute. Then we got Super Resistant Shimmer Revlon. Love that. And then I got Essence Juicy Bomb. Their Juicy Bombs are so good and shimmery. Love it. I have a lot of Essence things in my home. Of course, we got the Gummy Bear Laneige. I got a 4-pack, I think. Yeah. I bought this with my Sephora gift card. And I brought one of them. Gummy bears. So cute. I bought this for Macedonia. So these are all from Macedonia. It came in like this pack. It's so cute. And it's like just a cute little shimmer. And then we have Starfaced, the Pimple Patches brand. I can't even explain. Best smelling lip gloss in the world. Chef's Kiss. I can even smell it from here. It's so good. You know, we got a classic Vaseline to keep our lips nice, you know. And then I got a Essence Lip Swirl Caring Mask, which is, I think it's kind of like a dupe of like a Laneige sleeve mask. It's giving cotton candy vibes. Are you kidding me? So pretty. It smells really good too, kind of like a coconutty. So I think I'm gonna just start with the Vaseline because my lips are kind of dry right now. It is very hot. Vaseline is just like a good base to every lip combo. Cute. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, which one should we do? I'm gonna pick over here. Summer Fridays. Oh, there we go. Classic Birthday Cake Summer Fridays and yeah, I think I'm gonna pick this one. Starface. So. Okay, we got the Vaseline going. Now I'm gonna do my Summer Fridays. Oh my god, you guys need to smell this. So good. I don't put a ton, just a little bit. So cute, so cute. Starface. Cute little pink shade. Okay, let's take the clips out. And I always kind of just like to brush my hair at the end. Make it look nice. So that's a cute little summer makeup routine. Love the look. And I think it turned out super good, guys. So, okay, guys. So now it's time to put some perfume. Got it in this cute bag. Mini travel size. Brought 2. Kevin Clay. Oh, oopsies. This perfume. Or we could do Coley. I do not know how to pronounce makeup brands, guys. Not good at pronouncing things. So, which one should we do? This one, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Super nice. Smells amazing. And yeah. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.